होता है जब वो डायलॉग आता है चल झूठी which everybody knows. So that whole climax is very very special to me. पंचनामा 1 में हमारा जो पहला बीच का शॉट था and all 3 girls we were really working hard on our bodies and everything. We were waiting कि जैसे वो शॉट खत्म होगा and we're going to have our seafood and everything. कोई भी फिल्म ये साइन नहीं करता है सोच के कि मुझे एक फ्लॉप फिल्म करनी है या फिल्म जो कोई ना देखे ना मुझे ऐसी फिल्म करनी है. Nobody does that. Of course I get options to choose from. I've done a fair amount of work. तो जैसे बहुत सारे scenes है जब मैं नहीं थी शूट पे और मैंने अभी फिल्म में देखे. I was like, oh my God, Pareji's done. He would switch on off like that, and I would love to do an out and out action. Hi guys, I'm Sonali A. Sajnani and you're watching me on Peeping Moon.
Hello everyone, this is me Komal Vishwakarma and today on Peeping Moon we have Sonali Sehgal. Hello, hi, how are you?
I'm good Komal, thank you. How are you?
I am doing amazing. आपसे मिलने के बाद और इंटरव्यू से पहले जो हमने बातचीत की उसके बाद तो I'm very happy, I'm very glad and I hope this conversation turns out really well.
I'm sure it will.
आप एक फिल्म कर रहे हो वो भी परेश रावल के साथ जो अपने आप में एक लेजेंड है.
Absolutely.
How has that turned out for you? I'm sure कि आपने बहुत चीजें सीखी होगी, बहुत एक्सपीरियंसेस आपने गेन करे होंगे. कुछ हमें इंसाइट्स बताएं उसके बारे में.
Paresh ji and Amit Sial. Yes. I definitely I feel like he's also so good in the film and I have मेरे Amit Sial के साथ ज़्यादा parts थे and Paresh ji के साथ भी. And yes, there is so much to learn. मतलब परेश जी ना ऐसे जब मैं अभी फिल्म देख भी रही थी बिकॉज वट एवर आई शॉट विद हिम इट वाज आई फील आप एक एक्टर को ना ऑफ द सेट ज्यादा लर्न करते हो लाइक ऑन द सेट तो यस जैसे like how you and I right now on camera we may learn a few things but off the camera what we spoke is going to stay with us. People are wondering what we spoke but anyway right so that's how I feel it also is with on a set that when you observe how these veteran actors are as people what they do to prep before they come to give a shot जब वो वैन से बाहर निकलते हैं वो कैसे रहते हैं उनका माइंडसेट कैसा रहता है वो दूसरों के साथ कैसे हैं सो आई फील आप ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ों से भी बहुत सीखते हो एंड आई ऑब्जर्व्ड अ लॉट ऑफ दीज थिंग्स इन परेश जी आई फील लाइक हिज पर्सनैलिटी फ्रॉम द कैरेक्टर एंड दैट्स व्हाट ऑब्वियसली अ गुड एक्टर इज सो कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट and he would switch on off like that and when I saw the film because ऐसे बहुत सारे scenes है जब मैं नहीं थी shoot पे और मैंने अभी film में देखे I was like oh my God Pareji's done and his characters बहुत ही ऐसा बेचारा सा थोड़ा प्यार भी आता है उनके character बहुत sweet सा character है तो ऐसे खराब लगे को कितने sweet expressions हैं but he was not so बेचारे तो वो बिल्कुल नहीं है real life में and I was like wow this is like that's how you know that it's such a fantastic actor and very easy, chilled out, you know, no hang-ups. The whole team was fantastic. The director was fantastic. Paresh ji's son, Aditya Rawal, has actually written the film.
Oh.
I think not many people know that. So he's fantastic. I think he's written a fantastic script. And Amit is so funny in the film as well. And so is Sonali, my namesake, Kulkarni. So everyone's brilliant in the film.
How has your journey been? अगर हम बात करें modeling से एक्टिंग तक के सफर में
wonderful it's been it's got its ups and downs like life is I always say that कि कभी भी किसी का भी ग्राफ ऐसे नहीं रहता you take the most successful person on the planet also the happiest person or the luckiest person there's always that so of course there's been ups and downs and more ups than downs and that's what I'm truly grateful for and I believe like I came here with certain dreams and the industry and the city did fulfill it and I've done good work and I'm continuing to do good work so I'm very happy about that.
What do you consider your life's biggest achievement up tak so far?
Like work wise or?
Yeah, work wise or personally anyway.
I think work wise honestly my biggest achievement is yet to come.
Oh.
I'm very proud of all the work that I've done. Maybe that can be my biggest achievement because I think my biggest achievement is the fact that I've not done any work that I'm not proud of. Even if there are films that I have not done well, there's no film that I'll be like, oh, ये मैंने क्यों किया या नहीं करती तो अच्छा होता ऐसी एक भी फिल्म नहीं है. So I would say that because what happens, Komal, is like for some of us, we don't get too many opportunities, right? Because we don't know a lot of people. We don't have a lot of support system when you come in. So there are limited opportunities. And in that limited opportunities, you try and pick what's the best. Some of them may not be very extravagant projects or really big projects, but you still gamble and you do it because you believe in the part and you believe in the film. So there are many films, like obviously Pyar Ka Panchnama 1 and 2 were super hits, and Jai Mummy did relatively well, and in between there have been a few films which probably haven't done as well at the box office as they should have, but I'm still very proud of them, you know. And so for me, the biggest achievement is that even when I had no work, I still did not do anything that I'm not proud of.
Wow. Do you get choices?
About like films? That's what I said. No, I mean, yeah, now I do. And I think there's always phases, like sometimes you do, sometimes you don't. You make the most out of, I mean, of course I get options to choose from. I've done a fair amount of work. But I would like to have more options, more on my platter, so I can choose more.
Okay, प्यार का पंचनामा के बारे में बात करते हैं. The film जो मुझे लगता है आज भी लोग देखते हैं. But I want to ask from you, you were the part of it. Any favorite moment जो आपको उस फिल्म का बहुत पसंद आया हो?
बहुत सारे, but बहुत सारे. But I think somewhere मुझे वो I've pretty much spoken about all of them at some point in my life. But I would say, you know, जब हमारा पहला पंचनामा 1 में हमारा जो पहला beach का shot था, and all 3 girls, we were really working hard on our bodies and everything, and we were following a strict diet. And जब हमने वो shot दिया, and Nusrat and I are big seafood lovers, so we remember we wait, and we're shooting in Goa, so we're waiting कि जैसे वो shot खत्म होगा and we're going to have our seafood and everything. So that wait to like, oh God, मेरा shot हो गया, अच्छा I'll wait for you, तेरा हो गया, चलो done, now let's order. And that time Britos used to be a big thing, so I remember we'd order these things from Britos. So moments like that, when you know, you're kind of cheering the other person on also and waiting, and then just enjoying these moments. So yeah.
Any scene, specific scene which is really close to your heart?
I think in part 2 there are many scenes. There are many scenes which are close to my heart. I would also say the climax, Supriya Chauka का, जब वो उसके पास भाग के आ जाती है, and she doesn't have the strength to face her parents or tell them, and then the parents come in, and वो जो climax फिर police station में होता है, जब वो dialogue आता है चल झूठी, which everybody knows. So that whole climax is very special to me, because वो मुझे as a character accept करने में बहुत मुश्किल हुई थी कि ऐसे कैसे कर सकती है ये, you know, like how can she be such a you get the drift. Yeah, so for me, and then to justify it in my own head to such a dangerous point where I thought, yeah, okay, fine, but as an actor I did that. So yeah, that'll always be a very important part. Definitely.
How has the film success impacted on your career?
Pyar Ka Panchnama success? Massively, I would say so. It has been one of my biggest hits. So massively so, and it's lovely to have experienced that sort of a success back to back, like as a franchisee in the beginning of your career. So I think वो कहीं पे एक हमें mentally or work wise एक boost मिल गया, and it truly is one of the special films of our industry which is still being, you know, talked about. Like I imagine 10 years down the line I still can't give an interview without the questions. So of course it's definitely been a great contributor.
प्यार का पंचनामा के बाद you did several projects, but you know जो impact प्यार का पंचनामा ने बनाया था वो बाकी फिल्मों में उतना नहीं मार्क को टच किया. Why do you think it happened? क्या इसके पीछे कोई specific reason है?
Honestly, I don't have an answer to this. And I used to ask, I was like, why? And I really thought a film like Jai Mummy Di would make that mark. I really somewhere felt that. And when that didn't, Jai Mummy Di really broke my heart. When that didn't do well, theatrically at least. OTT it did well, and then COVID had hit, so a lot of people watched. But when theatrically it didn't do well, so I thought it will, but it didn't. So I genuinely don't have an answer. Like I feel nobody has an answer to these things in our
Yeah.
industry because कोई भी फिल्म बड़ी हो छोटी हो पुराने एक्टर्स हो नए एक्टर्स हो कोई भी फिल्म ये साइन नहीं करता है सोच के कि मुझे एक फ्लॉप फिल्म करनी है या फिल्म जो कोई ना देखे ना मुझे ऐसी फिल्म करनी है. Nobody does that. सब ये सोचते हैं कि ये फिल्म तो चलेगी बट ज्यादातर फिल्में नहीं चलती हैं. कुछ होती हैं जो इतना इसका आंसर शायद नहीं है. मतलब उन लोगों के पास नहीं है तो मेरे पास कहाँ से होगा. सो देयर इज नो आंसर टू दिस. इट डिडंट वर्क. आई मीन it didn't work that way, and I always look at it that okay, at least it worked to a certain extent. There are films which don't even get released on their films, so I'm always looking at life like that, but there is really no answer to this.
Okay, अगर आपसे पूछा जाए कि कोई स्पेसिफिक जॉनरा की फिल्म आपको करनी हो तो वो कौन सा होगा?
मुझे एक्शन करनी है और मुझे एक्शन फिल्म अभी ऑफर हुई थी when I had just conceived and I was in my first trimester. I don't know if I spoke about it in this interview or the other one, but I have. But I would love to do an out and out action film. But I'm doing the action, not like be a part of a film which has action. No, I want to do the action.
Any specific actor जिनके साथ आपको काम करना है?
No, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. All of like there are many of them. कोई भी.
Okay, कोई चलेगा. Okay, ऐसा कहा जाता है कि अगर आप शादी कर लेते हो, आप माँ बन जाते हो, तो आपका करियर खत्म हो जाता है. ये सुना होगा आपने.
Of course. Yeah.
What is your take on that?
I feel ये पहले जमाने में ज्यादा applicable था and unfortunately था भी ऐसा होता था. It used to mean that. Nowadays, I don't feel that that's true. And even if there are actors who you see less of, मुझे नहीं लगता कोई भी गायब हो जाता है. But then definitely I see a trend where they maybe work lesser, some of them not. I feel it's more of a personal choice. It depends on what sort of what you want. Like maybe somebody can balance both. Somebody is like, no, I just want to enjoy this. I don't want to work. So I don't know what sort of person I would be because for me it's the first time. So I don't know how I'm going to feel in this phase. But अभी अगर हम फैक्ट्स की बात करें इट्स नॉट ट्रू एट ऑल. इट्स डेफिनेटली नॉट ट्रू बिकॉज अभी इंडस्ट्री बहुत चेंज हो गई है और हर टाइप के रोल्स हैं इंडस्ट्री में. हर एज के लिए हैं, हर फेज ऑफ लाइफ के लिए हैं. देयर इज इनफ वर्क सो व्हेनेवर यू वांट टू कम बैक और स्टार्ट ऑफ देयर इज ऑलवेज वर्क.
What are your long-term career plans?
I don't know. As I told you, I'm more of a go with the flow. All I do know is that I do want to keep acting. I do want to keep working. It truly gives me joy. When do I resume that? How will I resume that? I don't know. I also want to, how do I say, inspire people or I don't know how, teach, do something in and around fitness. So that's something that's definitely there and I'm working on a couple of things and hopefully, and especially I feel like health and motherhood is something that I'm really exploring and I feel like I might just want to make a career out of it. So yeah, I think I have a lot to offer and I just love to share knowledge sometimes. Like if I've gathered this much, it's just fun to share, whether it's on social media or whatever, and stuff that this is stuff that I truly believe in. So yeah, so I see myself doing something related to fitness, health, motherhood. Who knows? We'll keep adding.